Hi, today I'm going to share a simple way to help you achieve your goals by prioritizing and focusing on those key tasks that you need to get done each day. And it's called the Daily Big Three. So if you're working really hard but you feel like you're not making enough progress, or whether you sit down at your desk but you just don't know what to work on, this video is for you. Welcome, I'm Andy Gore, a real estate investor and coach. I share videos every week to help you systemize your business so that you can focus on what's most important. I'm going to break this video down into three sections. Firstly, all about the Daily Big Three and how it works. Secondly, how I use Asana to go and track and manage my Daily Big Three. And then lastly, I've got some further hints and tips to help you put this into practice. Plus, if you hang around to the end, I'm going to show you how you can get more free content like this every week. So do make sure you keep watching. Timestamps for each section are down in the description below if you do want to hop about. And let me know in the comments, how do you currently prioritize your work? I'd love to hear. So first up, what is the Daily Big Three? Well, I don't know about you, but my to-do list seems to be never ending and there's always something that needs to get done. But out of all of the noise and the day-to-day hassle that we have to deal with, it's really important that we make sure that we are making time for those critical key tasks that move our important goals forwards. And that's where the Daily Big Three comes in. So for each day, just think about three things that if you got them done, priority, they would move your goals forwards, and then go and record them in something like Asana. Then no matter what happens, just commit that you'll get those three things done every day, and you'll see a massive change and improvement in your ability to achieve your goals. So we know what the Daily Big Three is. So how do I go and manage this in Asana? Well, firstly, you can see that I've got a board here, which I've called Personal Big Three. And all I've done is gone and label it the different days of the week. So Monday through to Sunday, and then I've got a complete column as well. And each day, all I do is either add new tasks or I'll go and multi-home tasks, which I'll show you in a minute, for the critical things that I need to do. So for example, maybe I need to go and book 3 wedding venue show rounds, for example, on Monday. And then maybe on Wednesday, something critical for my task is I need to go and find a 10K running plan. If I've got a 10K coming up soon. Just for each day, you can either add new tasks as I've done here, but sometimes also we've got projects or we've got tasks that are elsewhere in our Asana setup that we want to then go and put onto our board. So let me just go and show you a quick example. So let's look into affiliate marketing. All right, and then let's just imagine that we had a task in here which was research a new product. Okay, so it lives within the affiliate marketing project here in Asana, but let me just say that I want to then go and prioritize this in the coming week. So although it lives in this project, if I go and open it up, if you just press Tab P on your keyboard, you can see that it says add task to a project. So now I could also go and add it to my personal Big Three, and then I can go and either leave this or select if I know which day I want to put it on. So let's just say I'm going to do this on Thursday. So I'll just click on Thursday, there we go, and then this is going to be me, so I'll just put it under my name, and that's going to be on Thursday next week, which is the 15th. So if I now go back to my personal Big Three, we can now see that the research a new product here under affiliate marketing is now scheduled for Thursday. And so all you need to do is each day come into here, look at what your key 3 things are. You may have phone calls, you may have Zooms, you may be picking the kids up from school, but all you do is you make sure that each day, as much as you can, you still go and get just these 3 things ticked off on each day of the week. If you're finding this video useful, I'd really appreciate it if you'd hit the like button. It really helps. Thanks. So just a few more hints and tips to help you with this. The first thing is you may be thinking, well, do you do it personal or business, or do you do it across everything? So don't do too many, because you could end up with like a big 9, for example, each day. So what I'd recommend is maybe having 2 sets of Big Three each day. It could be a Big Three for personal that you can get done in the evening, and then you have a Big Three for work, or because they're completely separate, or perhaps it could be a Big Three for a side hustle. But don't overwhelm yourself. So just perhaps start off with one area of your life and then maybe bring in another. Also, really be careful that you don't overcommit. So make sure that they're really specific and also that they are not too long or not going to take too long for what else you've got going on a certain day. I would also recommend that you plan them out the night before. So just sort of think, right, well, what's going on tomorrow? What can I squeeze in? And just go and jot them down in Asana the night before, and be careful of everything else that you've got going on. If you've enjoyed this video, you may like to check out my weekly newsletter, which I send out every Thursday. And I share hints and tips, personal development, and business systemization info. So I'll drop the link into the description, and it's also here, so do feel free to sign up. I'd love to have you on board. But other than that, check out this link here if you want to know more about Asana, but otherwise I'll see you in the next video. See ya.